I just bought this lot in Sebastian for $20,000. You're probably looking for something nice. I can build you a custom home on this lot. Now, if you want also, I can show you how to find inside deal like that to help you out to make money in real estate. Real estate start with the lot. While you get the lot, then I can build a house, then you can sell it and make money. I have a class that started next month in how to build houses and buy lot at lower price. You need to be part of this class. This class is $4.99. That will help you out to get your wet in real estate. If you want to be part of real estate, you want to invest and make your first deal with me, be part of this class. That lot can be you too. And then I can show you how to make huge upset in real estate.